Get noticed in this 2014 Kia Optima. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Better gas mileage means better long-term driving, and this ride delivers with a great low fuel consumption rate. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo, a satellite radio, power mirrors, power steering. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.